Bob. There's Bob. Bob and Rob. And Blinky and Finny. Shh. Hush, TV. What's she barking at? No need for barking. Nobody jumping up and licking the lens. No, thank you. So there he is, so mellow and quiet, chewing on Paul's glove. Such a good, sweet boy. No jumping. No jumping on me. Hey, Elvira. That's Elvira. That's Wilma. But what we want to see is Robbie. There's Jazz. Here's Robbie and Bob. And Diana. Hi, Robbie. No jumping. No. Jazz got the glove. Oh. You're so cute. You're so cute, little boy. You are so cute. Yes, you are. If there wasn't so many other dogs jumping on me, I could do a better picture of you. But, wow. Sweetie pie. There he goes. Are you picking on your sister now? You were taking your sister. Yep, that's all.